In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a simple image product and turn it into an interesting pattern. Hello guys, welcome to Zealand. I take this lipstick shade shot and open this in Photoshop. First of all, you have to create a selection of your project. So pick a quick selection tool and click on select subject. With this tool, it will select the subject automatically. Now put it in another layer by pressing Ctrl Command J. We will save this for making patterns. Open a new file and keep its size, let's suppose 500 by 500. Hit OK. Now drag the subject layer to the new file and convert it to a smart object so you can easily resize the image according to the file size without losing any quality. Make a new layer and name it shadow and put it underneath the subject layer. Select shadow layer, then press and hold Ctrl and click on a subject layer to create a selection. Pick up paint bucket tool and fill it with black solid color. Move the shadow layer according to the light source. Then change the blending mode to multiply and decrease the opacity to 30%. Select both layers and convert them into smart object. Turn off the background layer. Now go to edit, select define patterns and give this a name and OK. Go back to the main file, turn off all the layers or delete them. Make a new layer for background, fill it and create gradient overlay adjustment layer. I have already created a gradient according to colors of my product. Now make a new layer, then go to edit, select fill, choose your custom safe pattern, check script and keep it brick fill. Hit OK. Now change the settings according to your style. Make sure your brightness and color roundness are zeros. There you have it. You can also resize this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, Zealand.